Hi, I'm Hannah, and welcome to Sheet Leveler. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily create a donut chart in Excel, a fantastic way to visually represent your data in a simple and clear way. So let's dive right in and get started. The first thing we need to do is select the data you want to represent in the chart. In this case, we're focusing on the first quarter of the year. So go ahead and highlight the data for January, February and March. Once you've selected that data, head over to the Insert tab at the top. In the Charts section, click on Insert Pie or Doughnut Chart, and you'll see the option for a donut chart right at the bottom. Click that, and boom! Your donut chart appears right there in your worksheet. Now that we've got the donut chart on the screen, let's take a quick look at how we can make it look just the way we want. First, adjusting the chart's position is super simple. Just click anywhere in the empty space of the chart, hold down the left mouse button, and drag the chart to wherever you'd like it to go on your sheet. It's as easy as that. Next up, resizing the chart is just as easy. To make the chart bigger or smaller, click on one of the little circles in the corners of the chart. Hold down the left mouse button and drag it to the size that works best for you. Want to change the title of the chart? No problem. Just click on the default chart title and type in something more meaningful, like what the chart actually represents. But wait, there's more. You can also customize the chart's colors and style to fit your preferences. All you need to do is click anywhere in the blank space of the chart to open the Chart Design tab. From there, click on Change Colors, and you'll see a bunch of different color palettes to choose from. Pick the one that matches your style. For this example, I'll go with this palette here. You can also explore different chart styles to change the look and feel of your donut chart. Just click the little drop-down arrow under Chart Styles, and you'll have a variety of styles to pick from. I'm going to use this style because it looks clean and sharp. Before we finish up, there's one important thing to remember. Your chart is dynamic. That means if you change any data in your table, your chart will update automatically. For example, let's say we change February's sales from here. As soon as we hit Enter, you'll see that the chart immediately reflects the new value. Super handy, right? And that's it for today's tutorial. If you're interested in learning how to create other types of charts or how to further customize them, be sure to check out our other Sheet Leveler tutorials. You'll find all the links in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a like if you found it helpful. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future tutorials. See you in the next one.